communication skills, speak clearly, confidently, and effectively. Communication is one of the most important skills you can ever develop, yet it is also one of the most misunderstood. Many people think communication is simply about speaking English fluently or using difficult words, but in reality, communication is about expressing your thoughts clearly, confidently, and in a way that connects with others. It is not just about what you say, but how you say it, when you say it, and how well the other person understands it. If you look at successful people in any field, whether it is business, education, interviews, or leadership, one thing they all have in common is strong communication skills. They know how to present their ideas, how to influence people, and how to create a strong impression. But the truth is, no one is born with perfect communication skill. It is a skill that is developed over time with awareness, practice, and the right approach. The first step to improving your communication skills is to understand that clarity is more important than complexity. You don't need to use big or complicated words to sound smart. In fact, the most effective communicators are those who can explain complex ideas in the simplest possible way. When your thoughts are clear in your mind, your words automatically become clear in your speech. Before speaking, you should always take a moment to organize your thoughts. Think about what you want to say, what is your main point, and how you can explain it in a simple and structured manner. A very powerful technique you can use is to follow a simple structure. First state your point, then explain the reason behind it, and finally give an example. This makes your communication more logical, easy to understand, and impactful. Another important aspect of communication is confidence. Many people know what they want to say, but they hesitate because they fear judgment or making mistakes. This fear creates self-doubt, and that self-doubt affects the way they speak. Their voice becomes low, their sentences become unclear, and their message loses impact. But you need to understand that confidence does not come from perfection. It comes from practice and experience. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. Instead of waiting to feel confident, start speaking even if it is not perfect. With time, your confidence will naturally improve. Along with confidence, your voice and tone also play a very important role. Communication is not just about words, it is also about how those words are delivered. If you speak in the same tone all the time, it becomes boring and less engaging. But when you use variation in your voice, sometimes slow, sometimes slightly fast, sometimes emphasizing important words, your communication becomes more interesting and powerful. Pauses are another powerful tool that most people ignore. Taking a small pause after an important point gives the listener time to understand and also makes your message more impactful. It shows that you are in control of your speech and not rushing through your thoughts. Body language is equally important. Your posture, your eye contact, your facial expressions, all of these communicate something even when you are not speaking. Standing or sitting confidently, maintaining eye contact, and using natural hand gestures can significantly improve the way people perceive you. If your body language matches your words, your message becomes stronger. But if your body language shows hesitation or lack of confidence, it can weaken your communication even if your words are correct. Another key part of communication that many people ignore is listening. Good communication is not just about speaking, it is about understanding. When you listen carefully, you respond better. You don't interrupt, you don't assume, and you don't miss important points. Listening shows respect and builds connection, which is a very important part of effective communication. One more common issue that people face is the use filler words like these words may seem small, but they reduce the clarity and confidence of your speech. The best way to reduce filler words is to slow down your speaking and use pauses instead. Silence is always better than unnecessary words. Improving communication skills is not something that happens in one day. It yourself or explaining any topic out loud. The more you practice, the more you will notice your mistakes and improve. Try to use every opportunity to speak, whether it is in class, with friends, or even in daily conversations. Communication improves when you use it regularly. Finally, remember that the goal of communication is not to impress people, but to connect with them. When you focus on being clear, simple, and genuine, your communication naturally becomes effective. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be better than yesterday. So start working on your communication skills today, because this is one skill can open doors to opportunities, build your confidence, and completely transform your personality and your future.